Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Janki's Cookbook. In today's video, I am sharing with you Gujarati Thepla recipe. So my mom has helped me with this video, so thank you for that. There are several ways to make theplas, but I am showing you the simplest version of theplas. To make the theplas, you will take an empty bowl and add 1 cup of wheat flour into it. Add 1 spoon of salt and half a spoon of turmeric powder. Now add 5 spoons of oil. Oil makes the thepla soft, so you can have it for days and will be a perfect travel food. Mix everything, add some water and then knead the flour. Make sure it's not too soft. Once done, we will make small balls out of it, like so. Now I'll take some dry flour and dust it on both sides and roll it to a circle on a rolling pin. If the dough sticks onto the rolling pin, slightly dust it with dry flour. Ensure that the thepla is not too thin or else it will not be soft. Once done, we will transfer it to the tawa, which is preheated. We will be putting 1 teaspoon of oil on both sides and cook it with a big spoon, as you can see it on the video. Once cooked on both sides, we will transfer the thepla to a plate. I hope you liked my Gujarati Thepla recipe, and if you all did like, then please subscribe to my channel. Bye!